Hi everyone. I want to share another resource that will be helpful for you when you're doing your media log assignment for this class, and that is the Children's Literature Arrangements, which is a best of the best list that's created every year by Edmonton Public Schools. And as students at the University of Alberta, you have access to it through the university library system. So to get there, I need you first to go into the main library page, which is just library.ualberta.ca, and then click on the link on the left-hand side for the Coots Education and Phys Ed Library. And when you've done that, you will get to a page that looks like this. And this is a really useful page for you to be familiar with for lots of different resources and lots of different links and pathfinders that the librarians and library staff at the Coots Library create for education students. So the first thing that you'll need to do is click on this link that says K-12 Resources, and from there click on this K-12 Databases link. And from this page, you'll see lots of great resources, and I would encourage you to take a few minutes and explore what all is on this page. You'll see the links for the core collections, the Wilson web databases that I mentioned in a previous screencast. Those are here on the left. There's lots of other curricular databases listed here, and you have access to all of those. And then just some other links here that might be useful. This PICA Canadian Children's Literature Database is fabulous, for example, if you're interested in looking for specifically Canadian material. I'm going to show you this Children's Literature Arrangements first. And I've already logged in because I didn't want to share the login and password information on this screencast. I will post the information that you need in order to access the database on our class website so that you can access it there. And that will be on the discussion board. Once you're in, you simply need to search. Search for anything. You can search for a specific title, author, or an annotation, or you can look at things by list. So you can see here they've got literature themes, and they've got lots of different themes. They've got character education. They've got, in Alberta, the new and the old social studies curriculum topics. They've got science themes and all sorts of things that will be really helpful to you. Let's just look at the science or the social studies rather, the new social studies. And simply because my kids are in primary grades, let's just take a look and see what's available for grade 1. So My World, Homeschool and Community, and I'm going to say K to 5 grade range, whoops, not 15, 5, and we'll do all audience and all nationalities. So let's just search by theme. And here is a list of 282 books that were found that fit into this category by theme for this unit in social studies, the My World, Homeschool and Community, with an intended audience of everyone and a grade range from K to 5. And you can see that there's a list of all different kinds of books. There are fiction and nonfiction, there are picture books, there are some novels here. You can see that. And it gives you the price, the current price, the grade level that it's appropriate for, and the ISBN number. So in this case, it doesn't give you reviews, so it won't be as helpful for you in that way, but it does give you a nice list. It also does provide you with annotations, and you can click on the annotations list and you see you actually get a much longer list to work with, but it does give you a brief annotation. You can print these lists and save them that way, and then continue on searching. So I hope this is a useful source of further information for you, and I would encourage you to take advantage of having access to it while you're a student and play around with it throughout this course and later on in your U of A career.